The benefits of automating ride-sharing.
Automating your ride-sharing schedule saves you time and stress. Instead of manually booking every trip, you can secure your daily commutes, work rides, or weekly errands in advance. This ensures reliability, helps avoid last-minute rushes, and maintains your daily routine with ease. Automation also detects potential scheduling conflicts, keeping your plans on track.
Which ride-sharing apps offer recurring ride scheduling?
Major ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft have begun offering scheduled rides for specific dates and times. While some platforms currently don't support fully recurring bookings, you can often schedule multiple rides in advance. Check the latest features in your preferred app, as options can vary by region and may be updated frequently.
How to set up recurring rides, step by step.
To schedule recurring rides, open your ride-sharing app and look for the Schedule a Ride option. Select your pickup and drop-off locations. Then choose the time and date for each ride. If the app doesn't support automatic recurrence, manually schedule rides on your regular days. Save favorite addresses for faster future bookings and review preferences before confirming.
Tips for streamlining the process.
Save your common addresses, favorite drivers, and payment methods in the app. Set notifications and calendar reminders for upcoming trips. If your routine changes, update or cancel scheduled rides in advance to avoid charges. Some third-party calendar or automation apps can help manage reminders to book rides, further simplifying your routine.
Future outlook, smarter automation in ride-sharing.
Ride-sharing companies continue improving automation features. Future innovations may include true recurring ride schedules, smarter route optimization, and integrations with calendars or smart home devices. Staying informed about new updates can help you maximize convenience and build a smoother, more predictable daily commute.